What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teach Chinese online. Hope you're doing well. Today's lesson is the Chinese we use every day, part 2. Let's get the ball rolling. Numbers. First, we start from 0 to 10. 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 6 6 6 7 7 7 8 8 8 9 9 9 10 10 10 Secondly, we count from 11 to 19. 11 11 11 12 12 12 13 13 13 14 14 14 15 15 15 16 16 16 17 17 17 18 18 18 19 19 19 Thirdly, we count from 10 to 90. 10 10 10 20 20 20 30 30 30 40 40 40 50 50 50 60 60 60 70 70 70 80 80 80 90 90 90 And then we count from 100 to 900. 100 100 100 200 200 200 300 300 300 400 400 400 500 500 500 600 600 600 700 700 700 800 800 800 900 900 900 Lastly, we count from 1,000 to 9,000. 1000 1000 1000 2000 2000 2000 3000 3000 3000 4000 4000 4000 5000 5000 5000 6000 6000 6000 7000 7000 7000 8000 8000 8000 9000 9000 9000 Let's go over them once again. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 200 300 400 500 600 700 800 900 1000 2000 3000 4000 5000 6000 7000 8000 9000 Now, let's do some exercise and make the numbers more complicated and see whether you can get them right. How do you say 91 in Chinese? We say 91. How do you say 28 in Chinese? We say 28. How do you say 730 in Chinese? We say 730. How do you say 460 in Chinese? We say 460. How do you say 555 in Chinese? We say 555. How do you say 1,200 in Chinese? We say 1200. How do you say 3,450 in Chinese? We say 3,450. How do you say 6,987 in Chinese? We say 6,987. Awesome! Hope you get them all correct. On the other hand, there are two numbers you need to pay more attention to. They are 一 and 二. When 一 is at the beginning of a word, its tone will change according to the tone of the following character. The original tone of 一 is the first tone, and it remains the first tone when it is read by itself or with other numbers in a proverb. For example, 一五一十. 一五一十 is a proverb meaning to narrate something systematically and in full detail. 一 will change into the second tone when it is at the beginning of a word and followed by a character with the fourth tone or a neutral tone. For example, 一块一个. 一 will change into the fourth tone when it is at the beginning of a word and followed by a character with the first tone, second tone, or third tone. For example, 一千一毛一百. When 二 is at the beginning of a word and followed by a measure word except for 十, it will change into 两. For example, 两块20 200 2000. Congratulations, you have completed lesson 3. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't forget to review and practice with the attached files whenever you have some spare time. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you at the next lesson. Bye!